Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and I'm going to show you how to use our non-scratch scrubbing pads. The great thing about the non-scratch scrubbing pads is they can be reused and reused. And there's no cleaning solution inside this pad. And all you do is use water to clean. So here I have this cast iron pan, which technically, when you clean cast iron, you're not supposed to use soap because it ruins the seasoning of the pan. So I'm going to show you how well this works with just water to clean the pan. Right? So we just clean this nice cast iron pan with no soap using our non-scratch scrubbing pad. And after I'm done using it, I'm just going to rinse it out and then just leave it on the side of my sink or in a little soap dish, and you will absolutely love this. It's also great for cleaning the top of your cooktop, especially glass cooktops. If you have splatter, it'll just take it right off without scratching the surface. Anything that's sticky and stuck on, really on any hard surface. So definitely give these a try because you can use them over and over and over instead of having to throw out a pad after 1 or 2 uses. And there's no cleaning solution inside the pad. So I can't wait to hear what you think about our non-scratch scrubbing pads. After you've used your eCloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean.